Hello students, today I am explaining you inter second year 2B maths. The first chapter circle. The question is about concyclic. So first we know what is concyclic. Given the points, what are the points are there? If the points are on the circle or on the same circle is called a concyclic. If the points are on the same circle is called what? Concyclic. So here one question is given, that is what? Show that the points 1, 1, minus 6, 0, minus 2, 2 and minus 2, minus 8 are concyclic. So this question will be solved by, so first we have to find the equation of the circle with 3 points. After we get the equation of the circle, we have to substitute the fourth point in that equation of the circle. If that point is satisfied the equation of the circle, then that is called what? Concyclic circle. See, let us go solve this problem. Solution. So first we assume, let the equation of the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. So assume this is the first equation. So in this equation of the circle, we substitute the first point. Since since 1, 1 sorry now I am going to substitute first point in the equation of 1 at 1, 1. So in place of x, substitute 1, in place of y, substitute 1. So here x is square. So what we want to write here? 1 square plus y. Y is also 1. 1 square plus 2g. In x plus we have to substitute 1 plus 2f. In y place also substitute 1 plus c equal to 0. 1 square is 1 plus 1 square is a 1 plus 2 ones are 2 into g is a 2g plus 2 ones are 2. 2 into f is 2f plus c equals to 0. Then 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2g plus 2f plus c is equals to 0. So write these 3 variable terms, 2g plus 2f plus c is equals to, take this 2 to right side, that becomes minus 2. Now this is the second equation. This is what? Second equation. 2g plus 2f plus c is equals to minus 2 is second equation. Now I am going to substitute second point in the equation of the circle. So first we write the equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. In this equation I am going to substitute second point is what? Minus 6, 0. In place of x, substitute minus 6. In place of y is what? 0. So x square means what should we write? Minus 6 whole square plus y square is what? 0 square plus 2gx. In x plus what should we substitute? Minus 6 plus 2f. In place of y, Substitute 0 plus c equals to 0. Now minus 6 whole square. So minus square is a plus, 6 square is a 36. 0 square is a 0, plus into minus minus, 2 6 are 12, g plus 2f into 0 is a 0. 0 into anything is a 0. Plus c equals to 0. Now write this minus 12g and plus c. These two variable terms write one side, and this constant plus 36 take to right side, that becomes minus 36. This is now third equation. I am going to substitute third point in the equation of the circle. So first write the equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. In this equation, what we are going to substitute is third point, minus 2 comma 2. In place of x, substitute minus 2, and in place of y is 2. So x square, so instead of that we can write minus 2 whole square, plus in y place we can write 2, then 2 square, plus 2g write as it is, in x place write minus 2, plus write 2f as it is, in place of y write 2 plus c equals to 0. Now minus 2 whole square, minus square is a plus and 2 square is a 4. Next 2 square is what? That is 4. Plus into minus is minus, 2 to the 4, 4 into g is 4g, plus 2 to the 4, 4 into f, 4f plus c equals to 0. And 4 plus 4 is 8, minus 4g plus 4f plus c equals to 0. Write the variable terms one side and constants are other side. So for that we can write now minus 4g plus 4f plus c are one side, that are the left side. This constant value plus 8 take to right side, that becomes minus 8. This is now fourth equation. We want to solve second, third, fourth equations to get g value, f value and c value to make a equation of the circle. So first I am going to solve 2-3 equations. Solve 2 and 3, second equation and third equation. So what is the second equation? Is a 2g plus 2f plus c is equals to minus 2, and third equation is minus 12g and plus c is equals to minus 36. So I am solving this equations by eliminating method. So change the signs, symbols, minus symbol change into plus symbol, and here plus symbol change into minus symbol, and this minus change into plus. Plus 2g plus 12g is 14g, and write this plus 2f as it is, and plus c minus c gets cancelled, is equals to, this is what, 34 plus 34, because greater number is a positive symbol is there, and from these two terms we can take 2 common. We can take 2 common, then 2 7s are 14g plus 2 into f is 2f is equals to what? 34. Right, 7g plus f is equals to 34. Take the 2 right side, that will be by 2, and 2 1s are 2 and 2 7s are 14. It is what? 7g plus f is equals to 17. This is the fifth equation. I am going to solve third and fourth equation, these two equations. Write the third equation, minus 12g plus c is equals to minus 36, and the fourth equation is minus 4g plus 4f plus c is equals to minus 8. Change the symbols now. Minus becomes plus, this plus change into minus, and plus change into minus, this minus change into plus. So we can cancel plus c and minus c. The remaining terms is minus 12g and plus 4g is minus 8g, and this is minus 4f is equals to minus 36 plus 8 is minus 28. And from these two terms you can take minus 4 is common. 4 2s are 8 g, and plus minus into plus is minus, and write f. 4 into f is what? 4f is equals to minus 28. Write 2g plus f as it is equals to minus 28. Take the minus 4 to right side and becomes minus by minus 4. We can cancel minus minus, and 4 7s are 28. So 2g plus f is equals to 7. This is sixth equation. Solve this fifth and sixth equations to get f value and g value. Solve 5 and 6. So fifth equation is a 7g plus f is equals to 17, and sixth equation is 2g plus f is equals to 7. Change the symbols. Minus, plus change into minus, and it is also minus. And the plus f minus f gets cancelled. 7g minus 2g is a 5g is equals to 17 minus 7 is what? 10. So g is equals to 10 by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So g value, g is equals to what? 2. Now this g value substitute in any one of the equation in these two. So I am going to substitute in fifth equation. So what is the fifth equation? 7g plus f is equals to 17. In this equation I am going to substitute in place of g is 2. 7 as it is, in g plus 2 plus f is equals to 17. 7 2s are 14 plus f is equals to 17. So f is equals to 17. This plus 14 take to right side, that becomes minus 14. F is equals to 3. 17 minus 14 is 3. This is the f equation. After we getting g value and f value, these two values substitute in second equation or third equation or fourth equation to get what? C value. So now I am substituting these two values in second equation. Write 2 as it is. In place of g write 2 plus these two write as it is. F is what? 3 plus c equals to minus 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 2 3s are 6 plus c equals to minus 2. 4 plus 6 10 plus c is equals to minus 2. C is equals to minus 2. Take this 10 to right side, that becomes minus 10. C is equals to minus 12. So after we get these three variable values, g value, f value and c value, these three values substitute in equation 1 to get the equation of the circle. Now, substitute this g, f, c values in first equation. The first equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So write x square as it is plus y square plus 2. In place of g, we want to write 2 into x plus 2. And what is f? F is 3. Write y as it is. And what is c? C is minus 12 equals to 0. X square plus y square plus 2 to the 4x plus 2 3 is a 6y minus 12 equals to 0. This is the equation of the circle. Therefore, equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 is equals to 0. And one more point is there, that is the fourth point. So that fourth point we want to substitute in the equation of the circle. If the circle is satisfies, then the given vertices and given the 4 vertices are the points are the concyclic. I am substituting the fourth point minus 2 comma minus 8 in the equation of the circle. So in place of x, substitute minus 2, and in place of y is minus 8. X square, in place of x write minus 2 whole square plus what is y? Y is minus 8 whole square plus 4, and x is minus 2 plus 6 y. Y is what? Minus 8 minus 12 equals to 0. Minus square is a plus, 2 square is a 4. Plus minus square is a plus, 8 square is a 64. Plus into minus minus, 4 2s are 8. Plus into minus minus, 6 8s are 48. Minus 12 equals to 0. So 4 plus 64 is what? 68. And minus 8 to minus 12 minus 20. Minus 20 and minus 48 minus 68 equal to 0. 68 minus 68 is a 0. 0 is equals to 0. It means what? The fourth vertices at the fourth point is satisfy the equation of the circle. That means what? The 4 points. What are the points are given in the question that are the concyclic. It means what? The points, the 4 points are on the same circle. So conclude the answer. Therefore, hence given the points are concyclic. Thank you. And this type of questions I give you in the description, so you practice them, so you try to solve them. If you are not able to get their answers, or if you have any doubt, you comment me. I will do that the videos in the next videos. So these type of the questions in your public examination ask for 7 marks. It is very important type of question, so you practice it. Good luck.